Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hebron Local and Long Distance Movers. Near me, we can handle long-distance moves flawlessly and easily. We have more than 20 years of expertise in this area. We ensure that we will move your belongings to your new destination safely and securely. Furthermore, we offer 30 days of storage facility for things you are not sure you want to take with you. Finally, we can handle your long-distance relocation services, packing, loading, transporting, and loading all your belongings to your new destination. 3 Movers love to discuss your budget requirements and then decide on the price for moving services. Therefore, your move will be completed at affordable rates. Furthermore, our skilled moving team can complete your move with absolute professionalism. You loved the atmosphere of Hebron so much that you decided to shift there permanently. Therefore, you are moving from your rented apartment to a new home in the local area of Hebron. Instead of going through the moving process alone, hire a professional moving company that will complete your move in just a matter of a few hours. 3 Movers is a local moving company that offers the finest and most reliable moving services in Hebron. We can pack, load, transport your belongings to your new place in just one afternoon. We have experienced staff trained to provide the most stress-free moving experience to our clients. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hebron moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.